Good morning, beautiful, beautiful London morning. Hey everyone, a new day has started. Oh, let me delete this. A new day has started. So, what's happening? What's happening? Well, yesterday was quite interesting. I mean, look at that dip down in the New York session and then all the way up, back up there. I feel like there's more to come here. There is some buy side liquidity at 85. So let's dip down into some lower time frames. NQ is looking higher prices. We have a fair value gap above 85. So I don't have any entry. Fortunately, I say that because I don't really want to mess anything up right before the London Open. And we have news today. What kind of news we have? We have core PPI, and oh, so this means that we have news at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. After market open, nothing is going to happen for at least 10-15. So it's not even worth the trade. So if you want to spare some time for yourself, don't even trade until at least 10:05 or something like that. 10:10. Anyway, these are the levels I see. Buy side liquidity on NQ at 85. Then we have the whole number of 18,000, of course. These are the nearest numbers I see. If we look the downside, let me go to the 1 hour. Everything has been repriced so far on the 1 hour. Everything has been repriced. Reaction has been made on the order block as well. Here is a 1 hour bullish order block. I'm gonna put it here. So that's a 1 hour bullish order block. Let's change the color just a little bit. Text 1 hour bullish order block. Let's put it to the right. Okay. There. So we had the reaction there. Sent it higher. I think the final target should be Crypto Panda. Good morning. Applause. We have a fair value gap here, which is quite interesting. It's a tight one. Fair value gap here. Okay, I'm gonna put a different color for this. All right. So these are the levels. It just took out a little bit of a buy side by taking out yesterday's high. Yesterday high was 68.25. Okay, now it's accurate, and anything can happen. London Open will decide what should we do. At this moment, I'm just waiting as usual. I haven't even checked the ES this morning. No idea what the ES is doing. Significant level at 66, sorry, which is all-time high, of course. All-time high is right here. Let's just put it there. 66.50. I don't really care much about ES in the London session because it's just too slow, no volume. So I don't care about ES too much in London. So if I look at NQ, yeah, we're definitely heading for that 85 for now, but I have no entry. Nothing. This one can just straight go up there, and that's it. As for the Russell, I see more opportunities, although it's pretty much gapped all the way. I have buy side marked up at 65, which is not that significant. The next is 65.7. On the higher time frame, VRC, hey there, welcome, welcome. On the higher time frame, I have buy side marked up on the 1 hour for Russell at, which is from last year, at 86. So from last year we have buy side at 86. Otherwise we have a high at 97. Do we have? Yeah, we have. Okay, so this is interesting because if we look at the weekly chart on the Russell, I know nobody cares about Russell. I don't care that nobody cares. I trade it. So the Russell was technically ranging on the weekly chart since quite a while, since actually 2 years, almost 2 years, 1.5 years. And who knows, we might see a break up there. Of course, not today, but in the next upcoming weeks, a break, which would mean that we should go over the 2100 level, which is not too far, and I can expect it. Okay, so there you go. NQ is going for 85 and nothing to do. I think it's just gonna be a calm London Open. Definitely not looking to do anything crazy. So look at this. It actually went up so high. I mean, if you guys want to scalp it for 10 points, it's up to you. I'm not doing it. The reason why is because, as far as I checked my journal, these kind of trades, like, only 50% profitable. If you jump into a fair value gap here, you have to use at least a 10 pip stop. Point, sorry, it's not a forex. 10 point stop down here minimum, and London Open can, you know, dip down in a few seconds, like boom, spike down, take out everyone. I'm not really interested to do anything crazy like that. So here is your entry. If anyone is brave enough, I'm not going to do that. This is your entry if you want to go for that high. Right now, you can go long if you want to go for that high, and the risk reward is good for a 1-to-1. That's it. I'm not going for it. I'm not going for it because I'm scared, and it's Friday, so I'm not going to do crazy thing. But if you enter right now, you have a good risk to reward. Yeah, Justin, right. Welcome. Yeah, it seems like 18K could be a target. If we go to the 1 hour, yeah, it can be. And not just 18K, we have liquidity still above 18,025. This fair value gap here. Let me delete my stuff from here. I have to clear my charts over the weekend because there's A lot of trade entries and small fair value gaps left over the chart. Anyway, we can still go over 18K. I don't know. The market is pretty optimistic. I thought that we are gonna have like kind of a fear after the new year, after the few weeks, in a few weeks after the new year, but it seems like the greed is still on. So I could even imagine we can go to 20K in like in 2 months or something. Absolutely. The only thing I don't understand, but I'm not trading it, is Bitcoin. I have my opinion of Bitcoin, but I don't know what the heck is it doing up here. That's interesting. But the scary thing in Bitcoin for me is that in 2 weeks, this is the weekly chart. So in 2 weeks, it got stronger 20%. Japan recession? I don't know. Remember, Tom, here in US is election year. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's a good point, Crypto Panda. Election year is usually bullish. That's a good point there. So, yeah. So, again, just talking briefly for a moment. Oh, market opened. Anyway, market opened. I'm not expecting anything, guys. So, market opened. If you guys had the balls to enter too long in this fair value gap, you might had a drawdown, but we should be heading to 85. I'm not entering again. I'm gonna check once more, but chances are high that I'm not entering. I'm checking the Russell. Now the Russell might give me an entry, but I still need the next candle to leave this. Well, it's not going to leave a fair value gap for me, but it's not going to. It's 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, never mind. Okay, market opened up. So the scary thing for me in Bitcoin, just to finish the thought, Japan had 2 negative GDP. Wow. But correct me if I'm wrong. Japan is significant for Europe or the US. I mean, China is significant, but what about Japan? How significant is the Japanese GDP for European countries or the United States? And Bitcoin is going to keep going up, Tom. I knew you wanted... I don't want it to crash, but yeah, but it's not going to happen, especially with... okay, ETF approved. Okay. Well, yeah. So the only thing that scares me in Bitcoin is that it got stronger 20% in 2 weeks. That is interesting. That is really crazy. And the other scarcity for me is that the altcoins, which are most likely, I mean, usually follow Bitcoin, they're usually not following Bitcoin right now. So, hold on. So, I know Bitcoin is bullish and they say it's going to go to 200K and 1 million, which I'm not saying technically impossible, but or maybe I did. I don't know, but yeah, I heard about that. They approved it in the US, but I don't know. I'm skeptical still with Bitcoin. I'm not skeptical with the crypto market. I believe that the crypto market is partially the future of humanity and the future of the humanity's currency, global currency. So the crypto market is definitely something that is going to be a part of the human race, just like the internet. That's what I think about crypto market. I think it's definitely like one of the most important part in the future of the money of future, basically. In terms of which coin is going to be the best one, I don't know. I still think that 99.9% of the cryptos out there are BS. But and of course I was reading many articles about Bitcoin. Most of them might be hoax or who knows, but they also say that the Chinese got very close to crack Bitcoin code, because today's quantum computers, the new generation quantum computers, are capable to crack Bitcoin code in a few years. And the next generation of quantum computers, they say that they will be able, the next generation of quantum computers will come out in like 3 or 4 years. They're going to be able to crack Bitcoin in a day. That's what they say. So, for example, in 2020, for example, 28, the quantum computers of the future, Bitcoin was coded in, I don't even know when, 2010, 2009, 2007, something like that. They will be able to crack the code of Bitcoin in a few years. The next generation quantum computers. There's going to be a next generation of AI as well. So I don't know. Look at this. We're heading to 85. I had no entries, guys. 2009, yeah. I think all those coins are BS. Yeah, I'm tracking Tron, Monero, Ethereum, XRP, ZRX, IDEX. Because I was watching them in 2017, 18. I actually lost a ton of money with them, and I'm still tracking them. But I totally got. I wandered out of Bitcoin and the altcoins. I'm not wandered out of the crypto market in itself as a whole, but I don't know. So if Bitcoin can go up 20% in 2 weeks, there comes the question, can it go down 20% in 2 weeks? Sure it can. And I don't care about the number. It says 51,000. If it can go down below 40k in 2 weeks, I'm not interested. So no trades, no trades. Let's just wait. Push the like button, guys, please. That would be really important. We're getting near to 1,000 subscribers soon, and please subscribe to the channel. So push those likes, because that really helps out. Thank you so much. We have a potential trade on the Russell. Okay. Let me close this because no, I'm gonna close this because I don't want to have this group opened up. This is just for okay. I got filled on a trade. Let me update you guys on the Russell. Well, let me just do. Let me just do the brief mathematics here. Just a very tiny small trade with 5 micros on the Russell right now. Just to test out the market today. I entered at 264.3. 264.3. This is my entry. My stop is 62.4. And my take profit is gonna be 68.1. 68. Okay, 68.1 is my take profit on the Russell. Officially called it out. I don't know what's gonna happen, but you know, as you can see, it can easily drop down like crazy. The reason why I entered, I have my reasons. I told you guys we have previous day high, actually quite close. We have a high here at 68.6. And not just that, I have high buy side liquidity pointed out at 86, but that's a long-term target. I just want to see this one to try maybe go for yesterday's high once more. The indicators lined up on my MetaTrader. I'm going to show you just in a second. How much is per micro? I have no idea. I really don't. That's my honest truth. But here's a calculator. So if my entry is 64.64, now let's just calculate. Then 64. So if you enter 63 and your stop is at 62 with one micro, that's $5. There you go. I use a website. Micro E-mini Russell 2000. If you enter 63 and your stop is at 62, it's $5. So if you enter 5 contracts, that's 25. But if your stop is at 61, that's 50. My stop loss is, my entry is at 60. Hold on. My entry is at 64.3. And my stop is at 62.3. And I'm in 5 contracts. So I'm risking $50 on this trade. Only $50. My take profit is 1 to 2. So my take profit should be at 95-ish dollars. Excluded, I mean, with commissions, sorry, with commissions it should be around $95 my take profit on this trade. But I told you guys, I'm trading micros with small positions, especially in London and especially on Friday. I have a special rule also for Friday. When it's Friday, I lower my risk. Whatever account I trade, let it be whatever. I always go with the lowest position size on Friday because I don't want to screw my weekend. Even if I lose a bunch of trades, I go with the lowest size. So I don't usually I would go with $70 or $80 minimum or $100 risk. So that would mean 10 micros, around 10 micros or 8 micros. But I don't want to risk more. But I'm using this website and I was outlining this trade before the stream. I wasn't outlining, but I was calculating as much as I could. But so previous day high is still up there. I just want Russell to you know, I did not send this trade out to the signal group, and the reason why I did not is because the price simply did not go there at the FTMO account. So otherwise I would have sent it out, but this, because of the spread and FTMO, I could not send it out. My electricity got very expensive at Bitcoin crash, causing me take losses. No way. Is this safe as ES Mini? Hard to tell. Hard to tell. It's a little bit faster, I think, than ES. As for safety, nothing is safe. Look at that. It's already against me almost. I'm considering to close it actually, because if we're gonna have a Judah swing here, I might just gonna close it with a small loss. I used to do that. Look at that. It's already against me. So that's it for that. Let's see what you guys were running. I sold my last Bitcoin a while back at 30k. I have no more coins. No more coins left. Capital Preservation Friday. That's it. Nasdaq Dragon says it right. I'm actually considering to exit this trade. I just don't like how everything moves right now. What's the ticket symbol of micro? It's it's M2K. It's M2K. So let me text it. M2K. That's the ticket symbol for micro Russell. But unfortunately, this one might going to be a bad choice. A bad choice this morning. Was looking good. Retraced back nicely. And as I said, guys, I don't like the move. I might going to just close it and just don't like how it behaves right now. I don't know. The problem for me is that although it had the structure break, it had a small fair value gap, so it was practically okay, but my problem is it's too much gapped out, and I think price might try to come back down and rebalance all these places, and then see that here down there, so it might come back down and rebalance everything, which means it might try to take the lows to sweep more liquidity, and I just don't like it. So I'm honestly considering to close this trade, but I'm gonna wait a few more minutes maybe just to see what it does. But I just don't like this move, what it's doing right now. NQ reached the 85 level, so that's another red flag for the Russell that it's might going to retrace or pull back. Sorry, pull back and maybe try once more later. But this move was maybe a little bit of a sudden move from me to take. I don't feel comfortable with this trade, guys. I know I used to say this all the time, but really on this trade I do not feel comfortable with this Russell trade right now. I don't know why. Even if I close it, you know, Mark Douglas says if you entered the trade, you accepted your risk, then you should play it out. So I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't feel comfortable with this Russell trade. Honestly, considering to close it. I'm really considering to close this. But if I close it now as a market order, it's gonna be so. It's gonna be closing it at the nearest point, which is going to cost me more commission and slippage. So I might just gonna wait a little bit. I don't know. Just to see what it wants. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. And if it takes me out, it takes me out. This is the point to buy for a small profit. Yeah. NQ will open 8,900 before New York. Really? 18,900? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, I got it. I just have to update with the text here. Trust the system. I need 990 NQ. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Tim. I did a top down on trading you, and it's not looking good, sir. Yeah, I don't like it too. Look at that. I'm gonna get taken out. Should minimize my loss at this point. But you know, if I close it down, there's not much I can gain from this. Other ones, yeah, everything is reached the target. Russell is now retracing or slowly pulling back. It might going to sweep more liquidity. Yeah, there you go. Almost at stop loss. Should have closed it around here. But it is what it is. Not everything can be picture perfect. Oh man, almost out. Yeah. This Friday will be tricky because we can shoot up to the highs and make new highs. Yeah, Fridays are always tricky. That's why I always go with small size. That's why I always go with small size. Or at least I try to. Yeah. Should be sweeping liquidity. I don't care if it takes me out, let it be. The reason, sometimes when I close the trade when it's very close to my stop, just to save some commission, it tends to turn around, and then I got myself into a huge FOMO. Like really a huge FOMO. And again, I have to remind myself to what Mark Douglas says, that, you know, if you lose, you lose. You go on. You accept it. You move on to the next one. And that's it. So, because if I start to mess around too much with it, it can mess up everything. The whole thought process can be messed up. NQ is definitely going high like crazy. ES following as well. ES is gonna take out yesterday high. It's only like less than 1 handles away. Should be going for that. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Alright guys, I closed down my Russell trade. I closed it down at break even. I don't care. I don't care. I closed it down. I just didn't like it. I exited right here. I just watched my other screen. I saw that it got back to break even, so it's I'm out. I'm out at break even. So the trade is off. I don't like this movement right now. And look at this. I got a little bit lucky. I got a little bit lucky there. Actually, I lost $2 because of the commission. Or something like that. But it's fine. I'm down $2, guys. I don't know what to do. I will never get over this loss. So that doesn't mean it won't go up. If it goes up, I might even re-enter, but only if I have a much clearer entry. Yeah, GG, thank you. Never at the losers. Let's see. Guys, please push the like button. I would be so glad. Please just push the like button, guys. It will definitely bounce back. I might consider buying soon. Okay. Don't make big commission. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Exactly, Lafta. And thank you for the input there. I remember NQ was sticking like, yeah, NQ is really bullish, guys. It's super bullish. Tom, if entering on M1, why don't you use your RSI indicator to know? I did use it. Actually. I'm going to show you just a second the custom indicator. I'm going to show you what I was looking for when I entered to this trade. Okay. Just a second. So this is my supersonic custom indicator from the future. And so first of all, I want to see the custom RSI here to point to a bullish scenario down. I want to see a curve from bearish going into bullish, right? Then I want to see a market structure shift, and I want to see some kind of a displacement, which happened here, but this is a CFD. This is the US 2000 CFD. And so what happened here, it went up, but the Russell left a bigger gap here. So that's why I entered the trade. Here there was no gap, or at least there was so tiny little one that I was hesitating. So it was pointing up, retraced steeply into that area, but on the CFD, which is this one on the FTMO server, there was no gap, but the custom RSI was pointing up, and I would like to see the custom RSI going from down, pointing all the way back up there. And it was a little bit slopey one right here, but the Russell was having a bigger gap here. That's why I entered. I think anyway, it was a little bit crazy entry, but I exited at break even, and that's all that counts. No, I don't add to winners. I don't. Justin, right? I'm not adding to winners, because if I would add to winners and it would turn against me, I would be pulling out my hair. That's for sure. And I did that many times earlier. I don't know. I just can't understand how other traders, and no offense, actually I respect everyone. I don't understand how traders can do that. I mean, you see the trade, you know, going up. So for example, you're targeting this fair value gap up here. You see it going up and you add more, add more, add more. Why? Why? Why are you adding more? You just adding more to your risk. Because I saw it many times, many countless times, that just before reaching the fair value gap, price it was going up, and then boom. And if that would happen, and I was keep adding to the position at these points, I would be raging. I would be hitting the wall with my fist. I'm telling you, I just can't handle this kind of a risk. I can't. I don't have the mentality. I just don't have the guts to do that. I'm not afraid to admit it. I just can't. I'm not there yet. NQ is going for the bearish fair value gap. Yeah, it might be. Hold on, you guys were texting so much. I can't long NQ because I can manage my trade. You don't have to go long on NQ right now. I think we pretty much just have to wait right now and not doing anything on NQ. NQ, just don't touch NQ. That's what I would say. Yes, I lost when I add to winners. Hey man, did you take any trades? I entered to a Russell here and exited here at break even, and look at that. God save me, or I don't know, because my stop loss was right here. Here was my stop loss, and I exited up here at break even. So entered here, went against me, spiked back up there, exited at break even, went down there. I would be out at stop loss by now, because my stop loss was above the midnight open. So I would be out by now. So I was lucky. That was pure luck, guys. That was pure luck. That was pure luck. Nothing more. Yes, add more to your risk. I don't like adding more. I don't understand. I know people do that. I know. and I know they are making huge profits. I just I don't know why. I don't know how they can. What is the strategy there? What is the risk management? Because if you keep adding to your trade, let's go back here. If you keep adding to your trade as it goes up, then your average position is gonna get more near there, right? It's gonna get near and near to the target. And it only takes a matter of a split second to turn against you, and boom. So what do? Yeah, I mean, you add positions and you're trailing your stop. Is that the way to do it? Correct me. I'm looking for answers here. I'm not offending anyone. I'm just, so you're adding it and you're just, so, and you're just pulling your stop as it goes higher. That's what you do. That's how you should manage risk. Because if you're adding to it and if you're pulling your stop level, then you're gonna get stopped out on these small pullbacks. That's for sure. And you know, here 77, for example, here 5 points, and if you're in with, for example, 3 minis or 4 minis, it's gonna destroy you. I think it's definitely going to destroy you. That's what I think, but I might be stupid. Yeah. I feel you on being aware. Shorts always are very fluid most of the time, with not as many interruptions compared to longs, where the next candle print will drop to yes. Exactly. There's always. If you guys want to learn, simply watch a few of those classic good old. Yeah. Oliver Wallace teaching WIDs. Okay. Well, again, I don't know how they do it. I don't know what's the purpose of that. I never add to the winners. Actually, I want to do the opposite. my fingers are always like, how should we get some risk off the table? How should I take off more from those winning trades? Very hard, guys. This is not, that's why they say this is the hardest job in the world. I love this thing, as I told you guys. I live for this. But this is one of the hardest professions out there. Respect to every profession, of course. Respect to the hardworking people who are on fields or construction or whatever. Respect to the doctors, and you know, respect. But this here is also one of the hardest professions. And you know, there's the saying when they say, like, if you want to be a doctor, you have to learn at least, for example, around, depends on every country, you have to learn 5 or 6 years to be a doctor. And then you have to be how do they say, resident, or not resident, how do they say, you have to practice, you know, you have to practice next to a real doctor for 2 or 3 years around. So if you start to learn medicine, then the first time you get to be a doctor on your own with your own practice, it's gonna take around 8 to 10 years. 8-10 years when you'll be a doctor on your own. And I'm really amazed that many people come to trading and they want to make money literally in 2 weeks. Like, they come with the illusion that, okay, in the next month I'm gonna be living from trading. Well, I was like that too. I was like the same thing. Sometimes add when it starts going up, but I have to do it at the beginning of the uptrend and move my stop loss. Oh yeah, there you go, Serdar. Yeah. I was itching for a trade and took to micro 993 to 18k. Okay, I'm glad I went my way. Yeah, I guess being a surgeon is also quite hard. You make a mistake and someone dies. Yeah, exactly. You don't get to operate anyone for like 15 years. Yeah, if you want to be, for example, a heart surgeon or a brain surgeon, you're not gonna do operations on your own without any help with elderly or not elder or more practiced doctors or high level doctors. They will always be beside you. The first time you're going to be doing a brain or heart surgery by yourself as a doctor, 15 years. 15 years of practice and everything, you know. It's respect to those doctors. I really, they are saving lives there. They are really saving lives. Catching a trend is the essence of a good trading. Yeah, this is why a lot of us on M5 are meant to be able to catch those. Yeah, exactly, Nasdaq Dragon. Yeah. So, oh, look at this. I wasn't even checking on NQ. I'm not feeling FOMO on this one. Absolutely no FOMO. I'm gonna show you guys why. And you guys will understand why I don't feel the FOMO. This is why. Look at this. This is the system I use. There's nothing to trade for me here. Nothing. This is a clean sign that we are not entering to any trade. Any trade. Nothing here that interests me. Absolutely nothing. So this is the CFD. This is US 100. That's why it's not at 18,000. So it's a different price label. But the chart is technically the same. 100% the same chart. It shows me I have nothing to do here. I have absolutely nothing to do this morning with NQ. And guess what? This helps you to maintain discipline, because if you have a system based on mechanical rules, then you're not going to that if you have a strategy, that's different. But this is my strategy. I'm not going to jump into trades up here or here. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not interested. We're at the middle of nowhere, guys. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something you might. I hope some of you guys will give me a second, guys. Oh, this is not it. This would be the Starship Enterprise. I can't do that. Okay. I can't. I wanted to do this, but I just can't. I can't. I'm just unable to do that. I wanted to paste a Starship Enterprise picture here. I can do that. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do, but who cares? This is where we are right now. In the middle of nowhere. Only the Starship Enterprise was in this territory before, nothing else. That's what it would have been a nice joke, but it turned out bad. Too far away from the moving average. Yeah. You can do on TradingView, hit on the text icon and look for the picture icon. Oh, really? All right. I can't. Anyway, doesn't really matter. We're fine with this. So we are right now where the Starship Enterprise is. In the deep space right now. We are in deep space. That's where we are. This is the level. Nobody has been here before. So what to do here? Nothing. We cannot do anything here. We are in space. Guys, really, nobody has ever been here before. Only the Starship Enterprise. Nobody else. We are in deep space. I'm not looking to do anything with NQ on these levels. Elite Funded Traders anniversary sale that ended yesterday afternoon was a total banger. They had a sale, right? But it's over now, I think. Elite Trader funding. Yeah, they had a sale. The one-step evaluation. This the 50K is still good, by the way, for $33. It's still a good one. Yeah, absolutely. Here comes the yeah. 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Well, let me delete the enterprise for now. Yeah, so the next buy side is at 25. You can go for it if you want, guys. There's fair value gap up there. I'm gonna delete this one because we passed through this. So the only reasonable target now is up there at 25. But I have nothing here to jump into. Nothing on Russell, nothing on ES. I know, CryptoPanda, but for now there was nothing to do here. I mean, we were there. I know, I know, I know, but we're still. I mean, it went up so much. Oh, actually, you're right. So in that case, you're right because yeah, we were at 150. Yeah, you're right. We were, but we have no other targets. Nothing to go to. We have no retracements. Nothing. And but actually you're right, so that's why the enterprise I just deleted it because don't worry, because as soon as this live stream is going to be a VOD, I'm going to cut this section out, so nobody will ever notice that I said something like this. So that's the good thing. I can edit my videos the way I like it, you know. This section is going to be cut off And some guys are already on the route to Crypto Panda's house, so everything's gonna be just fine. Nobody's gonna know about this. Nothing. Basically, absolutely nothing. I'm also expecting a package any moment. So I might have to leave you guys for a few minutes. Don't you dare, Justin, right? That's the spirit, P Trader. A bit risky, but who cares? Yeah. Well, as long as you made money, you know. Justin, right, there you go. Please, guys, consider to subscribe still if you haven't already. And push the like button. Let's push this stream. I don't trade anything else here. I mean, I want to take a trade if I could, but I have no entries. But yeah, at least let's outline the highest point of the deep space. Fair value gap here. Yeah, am I gonna put this here and here? There. Much better. So there's your next target, guys. Only 15 points away. If you have the balls, you can take it. Don't you dare. If you guys have the guts to take this trade, it's up to you. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking the trade. I was hoping for the Russell, not gonna lie, but I need ES. Oh, let's check out ES. Let's check out ES. ES 55 and trading at 95% win rate. 95% win rate. Wow, that is awesome, dude. What the heck? 95% win rate system. I'm trading has 95% win rate. That is some huge numbers there. Or maybe Crypto Panda is just trolling here. I don't know. But if he has a system like that, we definitely have to find Crypto Panda. Oh. Let's see. Russell. Nothing is going on. Maybe I should have a coffee or something. Yeah, maybe. Just as I do. Just as I do, guys. I'm selling a course, $49. There you go. If you wanna learn how I do, well, there's the link, babe.ninja. Go buy it, $49. I don't even care about it. I mean, it provides a partial income for me. I'm not denying it, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I I just started out a few days ago, so I'm gonna tell you exactly how my sales are going, but not right now. But yeah, it's for my business. That's it. Nothing else to hide on that one. It's for business purposes. And of course, I put some effort into putting that small mini course together, and you can download everything. Just keep my losing trade small. Oh, yeah. That's the good thing. The win rate is so high. Okay, so Crypto Panda is officially trolling. Yeah. What happens on TOPSTEP if you don't close your positions because they close it for you? Maverick, they close it for you. You just see your position hovering there, and at 4:10 p.m. they just close it for you. Boom, it's closed. Wherever you are in your trade, it's closed. The latest time, I thought it's 4 p.m. but it's 4:10. They close it for you at 4:10. So I have a 95% system, but guess who isn't 100% following to the T? Only take if you okay. Yeah. Well, everybody has their own approach. Everybody has their own approach, guys. I have to grab a cup of coffee because I'm a little bit sleepy. And we have no trades. Please do not go anywhere. Like the stream. Buy my course. $49, guys. Please buy it. I need that. I need you to buy my course. Alright? Go to pip.ninja. $49. It can make you a millionaire. And that's it. All right, I'll be back and just go. I have to fix a coffee. I'm already here. But I'm still expecting my package from the courier, so I might gonna jump off for a few minutes. No trolling at all, Tom. First trade is 1 1R. If that one fails, I get to one that is the risky one. 1-4R, that is the... So that's a martingale system. Or not. One risk to 4 reward. That's not a martingale. So that's the catch? Wow. Look at this. I think NQ will do this. Okay. So if you lose the second trade, that is okay. 1 to 5R. That's interesting, actually. That's interesting. I'm being that serious. You guys give me your email and I will show you multiple screenshots how my system plays out on a replay model on 3. Okay. Doing the same thing live though requires ruthless, yeah, discipline. 996 for long. 996. Don't know. I think it wants to go for the 25 before that. I think it wants to take it out. FOMO all the time. I've been running replays with my system and even bar-to-bar scalping on any time frame. Okay. New York session and Nasdaq, and can go from 9:34 p.m. with 90% at up accuracy. Wow. If your system is really that good, I'll sell it for you. I take no commissions. Well, if you want to be an affiliate for Nasdaq Dragon, I think you will be doing good money with the commissions. If his system is doing good, you know. By the way, let me check the BULENOX. Oh my god, what the hell was that? That was Elite Trader funding chatbot. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. By the way, just a non-trading related question. Can I ask you guys non-trading related questions? I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh yeah. BULENOX. I have a non-trading related question. And I need your opinion, guys. Okay, so BULENOX only has the TOPSTEP 2 code up. 45% discount on option to end of day accounts, which is a good deal still. Did you know you can add your stop loss to an indicator? Really? By the way, guys, I need something that sends signals from Quant Tower or TradingView to Discord. I know that there's, if I can do that with the alerts. So if I create an alert, I can add a webhook here to my Discord. But it's just it's not working. I don't know how to do it. I mean, I want to, for example, if I put on a trade, because now I'm using MetaTrader to send signals, but it's just not something. Anyway. Hey Tom, invite CryptoPanda and do a screen share. Oh well, you know, maybe we'll do. That's Dragon sounds right, huh? There you go. People are exchanging trading systems in my chat. Well, you should just go to pip.ninja and buy mine. Oh well, this is it. This is really the end. That's why I did it, so people can use the chat as a marketplace for trading systems. I'm just joking around. You guys can do what you want. Let's go in space again. Yeah, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. All right, all right. Seems like the community started to work out after all. I'm so glad I closed down my Russell trade there. Saved myself from a stop loss on Friday. I have TradingView with custom scripts. Not selling it, it's out there. It was hidden, that's all. What? But I need a script or something. I don't know anything about this computer science because I was born in the 80s, guys. I was using a Commodore 64 computer when I was a kid. All right, so just leveling with you guys on my programming skills, you know, I was using a Commodore 64. So I don't know about these scripts and how they exactly work. I need something when I put on a trade. I needed to send a signal to my Discord group. I don't know how the heck should I do it because I saw a few videos and I saw things here and there, but they just were so complicated to me. I need something just put on the trade and it sends it. Let it be just a script, or I mean a ready-made script or application, or I don't know what the hell. Or maybe Quant Tower has something that I can do for it. I don't know. Because I can do the Discord signals from my MetaTrader, but it only has US 100 and US 2000, which is good because the point is the same. But it would be nice to have the signal from Quant Tower or TradingView. That would be even better. I don't know how to do that. I guess I have to look up for some coder on Fiverr or I don't know, some programmer. To be honest, even my system is right like 60% of the time, and we wanted to, if only if only followed it, I'd be rich. Yeah. So for example, my system is correct about 51 or 52%. That's like the low end. It's from 51, 52 to 60%, my system. And if I use risk reward 2, then it provides good. Bar to bar scalping is simply reading, let's say M5 candlesticks and entering long or short right in the last seconds. Okay. Oh. Hey Tom, can you invite Crypto Panda here? He said it's good idea. Well, we can do that, but let's do it in a separate session. I'm down for it, but we should do it like, for example, we should do kind of a backtesting session or something. And you know, or maybe through Discord or whatever. I don't know. Of course, Discord. Yeah, of course. Invite to Discord, share a screen, and put it to stream. I know that's what I meant, but yeah. Oh, binary options guy, Maverick. I was there. I know. Binary options, guys, is the lowest of everything. Is there any company or firm online that still offers binary options? Because they were banned from literally everywhere. That's the biggest scam. Binary options is like, do not do binary options, guys. That's literally like playing a casino, nothing more. But it's your choice. Okay, NQ is stuck officially here. No trades. Nasdaq still have binaries, I think. I knew that Dukas copy, they were also doing binaries. I was doing binaries with Dukas copy. Back in the days, it was like 12 years ago or something like that, 10 or 12 years ago. Of course, I lost. Yeah, there you go. No trades so far. I feel like NQ could go for the 25, but no entry. Accumulating positions here, but I'm definitely not jumping in. Use stochastic momentum index on TradingView. No. Oh. Okay. All right. Some good information there from Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Still waiting. So I wanted to ask you guys, how about if sometimes after market hours I would stream some some gameplay videos, you know, I would play some shooting games, huh? How about that? Would you play some Escape from Tarkov with me or something like that? I'm still a player. I'm still like gaming. Although my computer is getting older and older, but it still runs well with these games. I was streaming a few years ago on Twitch, mostly PUBG, and sometimes some shooting games and GTA as well. I guess this will work quite well after we're broken out of console. Let's do it, man. Which part? Or you're talking to Nestor Dragon? So I'm thinking to, after market ends and everything, and I'm gonna put it to a totally separate playlist. It's gonna be separated from trading and everything. You know, I'm just gonna play games. I'm gonna play Escape from Tarkov. Hell of a crazy thing, right? Just to blow off some steam. I'm actually terrible in these shooting games. I'm so terrible, you wouldn't imagine. Okay, so NQ, as I suspected it partially, is reaching for some liquidity, maybe only on this 5-minute fair value gap. But let's check the 15-minute. Hello, Teacher FX. Hey there, Tom. Yes for what? I don't know. Yes, for the gaming streams. You guys down to some gaming streams in the future? after market hours, non-trading hours, when everything is closed or off or whatever. Blow off some steam and maybe play some shooting games, stuff like that. Or maybe I should not put it together with the trading videos and everything. It's gonna be separated down to a playlist only for like gaming streams or something like that. It wouldn't be even on the regular live streams, it would be just gaming streams. Today, when the market opens, my coin my coin debit sprees is gonna be 500% up. Wow. Well, so on the 15-minute we can still go to 94, reprice this area. Now this is something that I like. I like the pullback. This is what I'm waiting for, actually. I'm waiting for the RSI to finally go down, finally blow off some steam, reprice these areas, and this is my time when I want to wait for the next move. All right. Okay. So we're going down, but no entries yet. Still bullish though. Are we gonna have a thank God it's Friday move all the way to 121? That would be quite a rally, but NQ can do it actually. NQ has the power. Halo 5. I need to get that back running as soon. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I know that feeling, Nas. I have the same feeling. That being said, as much as I like shooting games, like, for example, one of my favorite is PUBG. I know it's a crappy game. Everybody hates it. But I like PUBG, and I like Escape from Tarkov is something I really like. But it's super extremely hard and competitive. I mean, it's so competitive and so hard that for like I spawn with as a PMC, like I die at least 4 out of 5 times. So I die 8 out of 10 times. I'm very bad. And of course, I think the most cheaters in any online game are in Escape from Tarkov. That is like filled up with cheaters. So I got shot in the head from the other side of the map, like with a pistol. So out of nowhere. So that's my other problem. But I like the looting stuff, you know, the putting small things together and, you know, selling, trading, putting some gear, you know. And it has the intensity, the feeling that okay, we're gonna wait, and you know, just the waiting part and moving like carefully. I like the game. I like, despite the fact that it gets on my nerves. Tom, what is your username on Discord? I have no idea. Let me check. I don't even know what is my username. Now I'm in streamer mode. But I guess it's TOPSTEP. User profile. User info. I don't know, man. I'm in streamer mode. I'm gonna do... Disable streamer mode. Streamer mode enabled. Disable it. Tom Sabo. Discord username. No, that's the display name. What is my user profile? Dude, I have no idea. I have no idea what's my username. User profile. Tom Sabo, I guess. Huh? That's all. I don't know. Let me check in streamer mode. Yeah. Interesting. Let's start a new channel called We Suck at Games and Play. Yeah. Yeah, I think that would be something. No, I really like playing. When I was streaming on Twitch, I wasn't doing it for money or anything. I was just having a real good time back in 2018, 2019. I was trading. Of course, I sucked in trading. I was trading next to I was streaming, but I never took my trading to Twitch or anything like that. But I was streaming. I still have some clips that left over from those streaming days. But I was streaming 90% PUBG and no, actually 60% PUBG and 40% GTA roleplay. I was roleplaying a Russian guy, Yuri Orlov. We were having some fun. I really enjoyed it. So, but the thing why I did that is because my other screens were opened up for trading. So, and I was working from home for an insurance company online. So I really love to do that. I had the time and the ability to do that. So that was good. And I still had some money extra. Zoltan, hello, you're a good. You didn't miss anything. I entered to a Russell trade here, but I exited at break even. Let me show you. I entered somewhere here. It went down. I got scared. It went up, and I closed it here at break even. That's all that happened. So, and I was lucky because right after I closed it, it went down and would have hit my stop loss because my stop loss was right around the midnight area. So that's all that happened. Exited a long position at break even. Since then, I have no trades on. Nothing. The only thing I'm waiting for is maybe Nasdaq to... So for example, what I'm looking for on Nasdaq, I'm going to show you guys. I'm looking for a market structure shift here, maybe. That's just a possibility. And then maybe I want to see it go up there. Like for example now. Market structure shift, repricing, go there to 0.25. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. I have nothing else. Is trading your full-time job? Yes, yes, Donnie, yes. Trading is my full-time job, but I wouldn't say full-time job just yet because I never denied it and I'm never going to lie about it. I'm affiliated with all these prop firms, so if you want to grab my links, that would give a few dollars to the stream and to me, so that's also a partial income as an answer to your question. And that's why I also did my online course for $49. It's at pip.ninja, and you can learn the exact entry model that I used to enter the trade. If you're curious how my results were, you can check my previous videos. And since last year, I'm using the exact same entry model that got me funded and that got me money out from TOPSTEP. And I'm building my evaluation accounts with multiple prop firms right now. And the same exact entry model is there in the mini course. So the answer to your question is a little bit wider because this is my full-time job. but I'm also trying to, you know, get some extra side income from online marketing as well, because right now I'm not at the point where I can pull enough money from trading one funded account from TOPSTEP. I do have one funded account. I can show you guys if you guys are interested, because some maybe don't really believe it or something. I don't know. This is an Express funded account, and there you go. It's a TOPSTEP. So on my Express funded account right now, I'm at $1,300. It's not a huge money, but the goal is not to take out more money. I took out $4,000 last year from TOPSTEP, over $4,000. There's a video about my results. You can check it on my YouTube. This year, I haven't taken out any money. January was no payout from TOPSTEP, and this account I'm building up. So at this current day, right now, I have no income from proper trading. And the reason for that is because I'm building the account. So again, full-time trading is a little bit difficult answer. I'm full-time here doing this. The YouTube, the online course, which I hope I can provide help and education and everything I can give to the trading community. So that's what I'm doing. All right. Let me check. Russell is going up, but I have no entry on the Russell. No entry for me on the Russell, but it's going up. I thought that we're gonna have a displacement here, but we don't. If anything, I'm waiting for 942. 942? What? Waiting for 942 pullback from 942. Okay, let's check it on the 15. 942. Okay, okay. That's a little bit down there. But there's a fair value gap for sure. Okay, I understand. Work at the moment. Yeah, maybe New York will give some better entries. Yeah, higher time frame. I can see it on the 15-minute. So no structure shift here, so that's not a valid structure shift in my book. So I am not considering it as a structure shift. Although this here, if we zoom it out, this here for you guys that want to enter real quick. This is a bullish market structure shift right there. And this is creating a fair value gap if it's not going to reprice it immediately, which it does right now. But if it reprices it all the way down there and close it as a bullish pin bar, then it's still a valid entry after the pin bar. There you go. So if it would close like this, that is still an aggressive entry, but it can go all the way up there. Yeah, hovering around the 18K right now. And 1 hour buy side liquidity is at 0.25. So I'm not saying it's impossible, but you know what? Let me tell you something. I'm gonna get ready for entering. All right, entered to a long position, guys. Officially entered to a long. entered to a long position. I'm using a little bit wider stop in case it wants to poke out the low of the swing. 92.50. My entry is at 18,002. So this is the trade I entered. 18,002.25. 18,002.25 is my entry. My stop is 92.50. And my take profit is gonna be somewhere below the 20. Well, actually we can go to 24 maybe, but I want to exit before that, so I'm gonna go to 23. My take profit is gonna be 23, so I'm in the trade. Take profit is at 23. There you go. It's official. This is my official trade. I'm in it. I'm officially in the trade. Micros. Only risking small. Be careful, everyone. Good luck. Good luck for everyone for this trade. Looking for buy-side liquidity. I entered with 3 micros. So you guys can see my positions. There I am. 3 micros from 1802. Well, 0.50 or 0.25, who cares? I'm in profit with a few ticks. So this is my position. I'm copy trading from my BULENOX account to my funded futures and to Apex. I'm not trading this Friday on my funded account. Only evaluation accounts because it's Friday. So be careful, guys. These are my positions. Just saying. If I call it out, I call it out officially. Be careful, guys. Be very, very, very careful because it can be a total mess. They can just, you know, spike everybody down like crazy. So be very careful. It's actually 02. It can do it. Nasdaq can do anything. It's crazy. Nasdaq is crazy, guys. So be very careful. Looks good. Well, for now it looks good. Russell went higher. The ES is still edging higher. Not that I care. I don't really care about the ES. I don't care about what ES is doing. I mean, of course I check it out, but look at that. Maybe we will get it. Maybe. Maybe. So this is my exact stop loss and take profit. My take profit is at 23. And my entry is based on this fair value gap and the market structure shift right there. There was my entry. Do you think so? For 1 hour, no move. We go to 18,100. Well, we can go there. 18,100 can happen. Nice round number, you know. Oh, target hit on ES. Oh, I took profits on NQ99 early. this strategy really good. You can set it and forget it once the order is in place. This strategy barely fails. Hasn't failed me yet since I... Wow. Crypto Panda has something really nice. Crypto Panda has something there. So these are my positions. Let's see what happens. Oh, you guys don't see it, of course. Maybe here, maybe there. I don't know. This looks too good to be true. I hope it will get it. We want Crypto Panda on a stream. Look, we can arrange it. When it starts to go against me, I'm gonna put away this screen, this account display, and I don't want you guys to see me in drawdown. You see, right now this is the time, and I should just put the screen away. Oh man, I'm actually only risking $60 per account, so it's not a big deal. On Friday, I don't want to go over that risk, and it's already against me right now. So, yeah. So we can chat. I'm gonna give the stretch for free, and you're not really okay. We can do like a session where we go into the strategy. I'm down for it, actually. We can do something about that. Hold on. What is going on? I told you guys, when I get to drawdown, I'm gonna disable my positions. I'm using this strategy on 8K, 10K accounts from Elite, though. Oh, that's nice. Let's schedule a stream for this one. How about that? I'm not saying like I mean, during the kill zone, I don't think it should be ideal, but we can schedule a stream maybe pre-New York or maybe even the weekend or pre-New York session. That would be the greatest for me, doing it around London lunchtime. That would be great. Of course, we're gonna stream it on YouTube. That's the main thing. We're gonna stream it, of course, on YouTube. But we have to get together on Discord and share the screen. And Crypto Panda will take the lead, and he's going to talk about the strategy. And it will be streamed on YouTube, of course. Everything is gonna be streamed. If you guys are done for it, just push the like button. I'm gonna Crypto Panda. I have no idea how to. But I'm gonna be I'm too broke to afford Discord. It's $10, guys. $10 for the Discord. By the way, if anybody wants to join my Discord, I know it's $10. I know sometimes it's too much. I know, but from now on, I'm gonna share all my trades. I mean, even the ones that I'm taking off stream. You're gonna get the signal group. You're gonna get the trade entry. You're gonna get market insights from other members. We are not too many people there, only a few, but But you can get all these informations for 10 bucks per month. And, you know, there's a lifetime membership too. If you purchase my course for $49, you get the indicators, you get the exact entry model that I use, you get everything, and the lifetime access as well. That's the commercial. You just have to go to pip.ninja. The access to my Discord is also down below. It's somewhere on my blog for 10 bucks a month. And yeah. Even Saturday is good, or Sunday, whatever. You know, we can do it after market hours as well. Or sometime when there is no kill zone or we are not in a trade. You know, that would be the most ideal to do. I'm gonna join Tom just so I can. No. Okay, but it should be other way. But I am not asking anything here. Okay, now CryptoPanda is being a gentleman here. But hey, CryptoPanda, I'm gonna send you an invite. You don't have to join if you want to do this. Really, you don't have to be an official. I can send you an invite and I'm gonna pull you into the Discord and we'll do it. I don't know your email, but shoot me an email. It's on my YouTube. It's tomsabobiz@gmail.com. You can check it on my about page. It's the email is on there, or it's on my blog too. Shoot me an email and I send you an invite. That's the simplest way to do it. And we will find a way to do this. All right. I'm not saying that I'm going to do your strategy. I'm only doing this because some other people here were interested. So why not? We can share some screen and you will let everybody know how it's working out. Why not? All I'm asking in favor is use my codes if you want to purchase evaluation accounts. Oh no, this trade is going against me. What the hell should we do? Look at that. That's what I was talking about many times. Like just before major liquidity levels, sometimes price tends to turn against me. You know, that used to happen. Still fine though, but that liquidity level at 25, could have expected this, that we should be having some profit taking around these levels, but you know, it is what it is. $0.30 is okay. Look at that. Now it's gonna wipe me. Some dirty move here coming up, maybe. Yeah, I'm checking the daily, the 1 hour. I'm checking everything here. To the right. Man, oh man. Not looking good. I don't like this. Oh, okay. Well, if we look at the 3-minute, it's looking good. The 5-minute is looking good so far. So yeah, let's see if they want to push it or not. I'm definitely going to leave it. So I'm not going to do anything with this. So whatever happens is gonna happen, guys. This was one of the hardest part, by the way, for me to understand about 2 years ago. It wasn't really a long time ago. 2 years is not a really long time. So about 2 years ago, one of the hardest obstacle for me was to leave the trade. Let it be just a loser or a winner, you know. If I was winning, for example, I was in a situation like this, I was so eager to close the trade and run away with the profits. But, you know, when I was losing, I was letting the losses run. You know, I was widening my stops. I was letting it run. And, you know, it should be the opposite. And I learned after reading like 4 or 5 times Trading in the Zone and The Disciplined Trader that you have to make peace with it after you put on the trade. You put on the trade and that's it. You're done. You cannot do anything else. You calculated the risk and that's it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Next opportunity is coming next week and the other week after that and the week after that and the day after that. So every day, every week, new opportunities are coming. This is just one trade out of thousands of trades. What is it? I mean, trading is a real emotional roller coaster. It really is, guys. It really is. Yeah, it's doing its thing for now. But we're stuck a little bit here. Let me check the Russell again. Bit okay there. I'm using exponential moving average and RSI, but this is not the main indicator I use, Biruk. This is just a replication of what I use because the main system I use is here on MetaTrader. It's a custom programmed RSI for MetaTrader with these bars here, and the custom exponential moving average. It has some add-ons to it. This is my main system. So the only thing that comes near to it on TradingView is these exponential moving averages and the Lux Algo RSI. That's the nearest I can come up with it with some custom settings. But I have my course and the exact entry model that got me funded and that helps me to build up my accounts at pip.ninja. There's a 5-minute video there. Yes, I'm selling a course. I am selling a course. Finally, we can start paying Tom. Yeah, I'm selling a course. Yes, I'm one of those guys too. Yeah, but guys, I don't have any other thing to do. I have a small side income in IRL, but this is, I mean, I'm doing it to stay here online. So yes, it's not gonna save you the world and it's not gonna make you a millionaire. But guys, we're spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on prop firms and stuff like that. I'm selling you a course for $49 with lifetime Discord access, with custom indicators, downloadable educational material and stuff like that. A mini course with my exact entry model, 49 bucks. So yeah, buy my course. I need the money. No, I didn't have payout in January from TOPSTEP. deliberately. So I'm building up my evaluation accounts. This is my new video series that you see on my channel. So if anyone is new, check out my latest videos, and I will talk about my results using this system. So that's it. That's the main reason. By the way, guys, did I tell you that, I mean, CryptoPanda has a system that has a 95% winning rate. And let me just tell you, my system has a 96% win rate. I mean, again, my system, CryptoPanda, has a 95% win ratio. My system has a 96% win ratio. So you can get it. You know what to do. CryptoPanda is doing bad for my business here. We're stuck here, guys. We're stuck. Send me an email. All right. Let me check it. All right. I'm sorry, my package just arrived. Tom, why are you up? Grim, why am I up? I'm up. I don't know. I have some fair value gap, if this is the up that you're referring. I have a fair value gap here that I would like to target. My system told me also, not told me, but confirmed that we can also go up there. The 3 and the 5 minute is pointing up. We're at equilibrium. I'm just hoping that, you know, the price may want to sweep some liquidity in this 1 hour fair value gap. That's the only thing. That was the main reason for me to enter this trade. You know, guys, how it is. And that's why we're doing it, you know. Oh, it's 10:47 here a.m. 10:47 a.m. All right. Okay, CryptoPanda, I have your email. Nice. Nice. We're gonna do that, all right, that we were talking about. Let me just a second. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let me know what you guys are up to. Your 933. Well, my final TP is at 23. I hope. You're from Methodical Man. Cool, cool. We all love Methodical Man. He's a celebrity. He's a great guy. Helped me out with a lot of good advice for the channel. Please, guys, subscribe, because I just realized that we're getting closer to the 1,000 subscribers, and I love that. That is so awesome. So I've never traded. What is it like to enter? What's it is enter a long advantage the whole time this late? Well, you know, it's London session, so I wouldn't say quite a huge advantage. The thing is that the NQ is moving fairly modest in the London session, so that's why I used to trade it. I also trade the Russell in the London session as well. So yeah, we don't have access to, for example, I'd like to trade the German index with prop firms, but they don't have the data for it to trade. Just a second. Sorry, just a quick call. So I would like to trade, for example, the German index, but you cannot do it in these prop firms. TOPSTEP said that maybe they will try something to do about that. I'm guessing they will only do it on TOPSTEP X. But I don't want to trade TOPSTEP X. Not that it's a bad thing, but I'm trading Quant Hour, and that's how I can copy trade everything. I didn't see, but I heard him talking about it. What was he trading? He was trading euro or pound? What was he trading? I have the pound futures here, but look at this on the 1 minute. Honestly, the 1 minute pound futures in London session. Look at this. It's really messed up. The gold is a little bit better, but when there's no volume, it's a little bit messy. So the pound futures, this is the forex and this is the futures. You can see the difference in volume. The candles are not so pretty, let's just say it. Stoic Trader, NZD. Oh, he's trading NZD. Okay. Do we have New Zealand futures or future? How does he trade that? Is it available with TOPSTEP to trade with New Zealand? Or I'm gonna check it out. Hold on. Hold on. New Zealand dollar 6N. You can do it? Okay. Okay. New Zealand dollar, I think. Let's see if I can add the New Zealand dollar on a chart. $6N. Let's see, for example, futures. It might seem like it. No, Apex doesn't have it. Let's check. Maybe TOPSTEP has it. 6N. No, it doesn't have it. Hold on. Maybe, yeah. Oh, yeah, they have it. Okay, they have the New Zealand dollar. All right. Let me check if Apex has it, because I was watching the... Okay, Apex has it too. All right. All right, Apex has it too. So you can trade New Zealand dollar. Wow, that's interesting. He only looks at 15-minute or hour to 4-hour. That's good, but you know, if you look at the 15-minute on a forex, currency future, that's going to give you rare opportunities, and these prop firms are closing down your trades, you know, at the end of the day. So unless there's a solution to hold the trades overnight, or I don't know, for those trades to evolve, I think it needs more time. I'm not sure. I haven't really went into the currency futures. I checked the pound, but yeah. You've been hating flag pattern as well. I think I'm with you on that. Look at this. It started out so nicely. We were almost like celebrating here until this point. Like, oh, look at that. We're gonna win it. Look at this. And now it's just slowly dripping lower. I don't really like what's happening. Might end up with a stop loss here. Maybe it will reach up higher in the New York session, and who knows. But for now, I just don't like this. It's almost in drawdown. Oh, what a shame! What a shame. I was really hoping for this trade. It started out so nicely, and now it's just selling off. Let me check the Russell again. As for the Russell, I think we still have a chance to take out yesterday's high, but I don't know. I do not know. We got back to the red. What a shame. 10 points and I'm out. Not good. Not good. Trades on his personal account, maybe. Yeah. I lost my funded account. Stuff is frustrating. Yeah, that's frustrating. I know. Thanks to you for being here, Zoltan. Have a good weekend and see you next week. See you next week. See you next week, Zoltan. Yeah, I know what it is. I think most of us knows how gambling can take over the trading aspect, and I know it's a bad feeling. That's why I started to take on with the mechanical system, because I needed some more set of rules to control my behavior, and that's why, despite that I'm using smart money concepts, I had to implement some mechanical elements to the trades, which are exponential moving average and RSI, and some extra here and there. So yeah, you can watch how I preach about it on pip.ninja. The 430 swing looks like running buy side and shift to sell side. Yeah, how do you learn those systems? Well, it's mostly chart time, and you just have to. Of course, you always have to stay disciplined. But if, for example, here, I saw the RSI, I saw the moving averages, and despite the fact that we had multiple fair value gaps here and up here and here, we had multiple fair value gaps where I could have jumped in. I said no, because I'm gonna keep holding until I don't see the kind of retracement or pullback that I need to go higher. So that happened. The RSI happened for me, and then I entered my trade. And I say it many times that this is the system that helped me to pull out money from TOPSTEP last year. I'm building my evaluation accounts, my new evaluation accounts with other companies, with this system, with other prop firms. And it helps me to keep me out from entering, over trading. It definitely helped me out by not over trading. And since then, if you check out my latest video I uploaded yesterday and before yesterday, I'm building up my accounts with micros slowly. So ICT stuff, but not really. Not really. No, I'm not watching crude. I'm not watching crude. I learned some stuff from ICT. I respect his lectures, but I don't know if he's a good trader or not, because I don't want to talk about the rest of the stuff of his personality. But I learned a lot from his lectures, and I added my personal approach to these trades. I'm looking for draw on liquidity, and there's a certain setup that I'm looking for when I want to enter a trade, and that's it. And I'm not gonna lie, because I'm still not making a living from trading. Yes, I know. So I'm still not making a living from trading, solely from trading. Despite the fact that I pulled out money from TOPSTEP, I still have a funded account with TOPSTEP. To be able to be here with you guys as a full-time job, I did my small mini course for $49 with a lifetime access to Discord. So if anyone is interested, just go to pip.ninja. It's $49, and I share my exact indicators, my exact settings, and entry model. It's not long, it's 50 minutes with the intro and everything. It's about 50 minutes with small modules, but you get the lifetime access too. And I'm happy to share my trades, and also happy to have some voiceover. I mean, some chat discussions in the voice room, if you need some information, or maybe I need some information, so we can help out each other. That's why I'm doing the whole thing. That was the commercial. But yeah, that's the truth. That's the truth. So that's why I'm doing it. I mean, his personality is a different thing. What he's teaching, that's another thing, he has a lot of issues in his life, which is a total different thing. I don't care about if he wins the Robbins Cup or not. I couldn't care less. By the way, despite the fact that I respect his lectures and teachings, I don't think that he's going to win the Robbins Cup. That's just my 2 cents. He's not going to win it. I think there is some kind of an excuse is going to happen, like aliens, or the broker is going to kick him off, or the Robbins is going to do some kind of excuse is going to happen. Something. So, or he's going to say he's deliberately blowing off his account because somebody said something. So something is going to happen there, but he's not going to win the Russell. That's $11,000% of profit for Larry Williams. It's impossible. Larry Williams was lucky in 87 because of the crude oil or something like that. He was placing everything in one trade or something. I don't know. I always love when Methodical is like, yeah, Tom says. Oh my god. So I became a celebrity. All right. Oh yeah, the lawsuit. Yeah, I was reading about it. That's just, you know, cloud chasing. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, really, I don't know. I don't know how this works in the US. Here in Hungary, if somebody is putting you to the court because you said something bad on the telephone or on the internet, the court usually like, oh, here's another one. All right, okay, let's give some money penalty, or just, you know, writes a paper like, oh, don't do this next time, and go on with your lives. But I don't know how they take it in the US. How seriously do they take it in the US? I don't know. Hard to tell. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I don't know who is this Winnie Imini, or what's his name. I saw his profile once or twice. His whole content is based around ICT, and I don't know if that's healthy, really. I mean, that guy has a family and everything, and he's building up his whole online content around ICT. That's what I saw so far, and I think it's not healthy. If you ask me, that's absolutely not a healthy thing to do. It messes up your mind. I don't know. Not sure. Unless it's, yeah, slander that causes loss. Okay. You have new video on Vinny channel, like documentary. Oh, I saw the link. I don't care, because he recorded some phone calls. If you know, if somebody would be talking like shit to me, maybe I would talk shit back to you, back to the person, like myself, like go F yourself and stuff like that. Everybody talks like that. If somebody gets a crazy phone call, everybody talks back the way like that. So that's, yeah. But ICT doesn't even have a job. So it's like Vince says what he wants, but it doesn't change. Yeah, it doesn't change anything. I don't care about them. I mean, it's their fight. I don't know what they want to prove to each other or to the world. But the thing is, I think that ICT is not going to win the Robbins Cup. That's like, I'm like 1000% sure that he's not going to win. I wish guys, tell me if there is a website somewhere. If there is a website I can place some money against ICT, I will place it. I mean, not obviously not a huge money, but not that I'm afraid, but I would place some money, some decent amount of money I will place against ICT. If there were some official website that would take bets on this one, I would really do that. But he's not going to win the Robbins Cup. Gamecraft, hey there. Well, this is the only trade I mean, I took a Russell trade, but I closed it at break even, so basically that doesn't count. This is the only trade, Gamecraft, that I'm in. I was waiting for a pullback, so I'm targeting the 1 hour fair value gap or CB up there as buy side liquidity. I want to take profits at 23. And if somebody is curious, here are my positions up. I have 3 accounts that are copy trading. Only 3 micros because it's Friday, so I'm risking around $60 or 55 or something on these trades. This is a BULENOX account. I have my funded futures and an Apex account. I'm not trading my funded account on Fridays. I'm not trading funded on Fridays because not. That's it. No funded account trades on Friday. You and me bet $5,000, but how do you mean? I don't. The point of ICT trading is to win competitions. The point is to trade like 2 or 3 hours a day, make like 5-10% amount and call and chill out. Yeah. You're on ICT side. All right. Let's make this bet official on the video on YouTube. What say? Well, you know, I don't want to bet $5,000 because $5,000, if I lose, that money matters to me. $5,000 for me is like 2 months of living at least, or 3 months. So I don't want to bet $5,000. That's for sure. But hey, you know what? I'm willing to bet something else. I'm willing to bet $500 with Gamecraft. $500. I'm willing to do the bet with $500 that ICT is not going to win the Robbins Cup. That I can do. 5,000 for one bet is too much for me, and I'm not in that range. I'm not a poor guy, but I have to be careful with what I do. And if I do a bet, I only do it for fun. So when I'm trading is different, but when I bet, even on sports events or something, I do it for the fun. But against ICT, I'm willing to bet $500. And YouTube is here. Okay, then shook hands on it. I'm gonna post a video about this later on Gamecraft. Let me put a screenshot. Okay, hold on. And let me go into chat. Okay. The bet is on. How do I put the handshake? All right. The bet is on. $500. $500 against ICT. How do I turn off this? Anyway, I close this chat window. Go back here, and I'm gonna do a screenshot of this. Okay. Okay, so this is the screenshot. And I'm gonna tweet it out. Okay, I'm gonna tweet it out. And it's gonna be, I'm not going to delete the tweet. Believe it or not. I bet against ICT for 500 that he won't win Robbins. Okay, I'm really doing this. I bet against ICT for 500 that he won't win Robbins. Okay, I just posted out the tweet with the screenshot. Okay. Almost at take profit, but still didn't hit that. Oh man, it's not hitting that. It's not hitting my take profit. Come on. Oh, look at that. Almost missing my take profit. I mean, it's missing my take profit with 1 point. 1 point, guys. It's so bad. So bad. It's official. It's official. Make a separate video. I will get a lot of views and maybe even ICT will notice it. And go on a rant. Oh, I don't want ICT to. I respect ICT. I'm not disrespecting the man. I learned everything from ICT, a lot. I'm just putting a bet that he can't do Larry Williams' record by the end of the year. That's my only bet. Oh god. Your tweet saying I hate Mondays. Grim, that's it. You're on there. All right. And I will follow and retweet. All right. Do you ever go long and short on evals? And I did that a few times. I blow up a lot of evals that way. This is awesome. I'm on Tom's side. ICT can't trade. Oh man, this trade I thought that is gonna break the 23, and now we're just waiting. Oh no, it's going against me. Should I close it manually, or tell me guys, should I close this manually right here to end the struggle, or should I wait for the take profit? I need a fast answer quickly, guys. Tell me, should I close it as it is or wait for it? Now it's too late. It's going down again. Ugh. What a okay. What a bummer. What a bummer. Missed my TP. Missed my TP. Okay, I closed it. I don't care. I closed the trade. I closed the trade here. I closed it here. I exited the trade. I hate it. I hate it so much because I missed it with 1 tick, and it when it goes against me, and for example it would go like this and this, and maybe later it goes like this, but I hate this so much. So I closed it. I'm flat. I closed it, guys. What a crazy day. I'm flat. I'm flat, officially flat. And now that I closed it, it can finally go to my take profit. It's over, guys. I'm flat. I'm officially flat. Here's my no positions open. I closed everything. 0 positions. My take profit was missed with 1 tick. 1 tick. I mean, what was the high? The high was on this candle. 22.75 was the high, and my take profit is 23. 1 tick. I needed 1 tick for the take profit. 1 single tick. But there's it's so frustrating when it does this. I hate this. I just hate it. Let me check what's happening on the Russell real quick. Russell also has an opportunity, but I don't know. Now he's gonna take it. Yeah. It's just, it can go against you so easily, like you won't even believe it. Let me put on some limit orders here in case the Russell would like to move. Yeah, nothing is there. But seems like the NQ is up there. Applause, thank you. Profit is profit, yeah. Yeah, I took my profit, so when I miss my take profit with one tick, that gets on my nerves, like really hard. This gets on my nerves like crazy. So I had to take profit there. It seems like it wants to go. I wonder if the Russell goes up, how far can it go? How can it go all the way up to previous day high to 71? I'm just curious, you know, that's all. Because 67.07, I might put 2 micros as a limit. 67. Yeah, so 67.8 I put to limit order there. But let's see if it goes or not. I missed my entry on Russell. Actually, I entered, but only with 2 micros, so that's not even worth to mention. This was the entry level. Right here. I did not even send it out to signals. Such a small trade. So I paid for 2 PA accounts on Apex on the morning, and the only one has been activated. Well, sometimes they took time to activate it. You know, sometimes they need 1 day or maybe more. Sometimes they need more time. So let's just measure how far is previous day high. If I measure the distance from here, I took this swing, almost good, 1.84, 71.2, 71.1 maybe, if that would get triggered. But I'm not in that. I mean, in with 2 micros, that's like $30. I'm not even mentioning that because that's nothing. But let me. Oh, look at that! Now it's back up there. Now it's back, and it's gonna take out the 23. the frustration kicked in, guys. The frustration kicked in, and it's got the better part of me. Oh, what a deal. Well, it is what it is, guys. Mark Douglas said, always stick to your plan. Or maybe it's gonna go down anyways. No, but this fair value gap up there is definitely significant. So sooner or later it should be tapping into that. I just wanted to. I'm just got upset that it missed with one tick. Now it's just gonna go up. I know what's gonna happen. It's just gonna go up there. All I see is profitable Friday. Yeah, definitely, guys. So if you're curious why I entered way like this, go to pip.ninja, buy my course, $49, lifetime Discord access, and we can chat all day you want. I told you, Gamecraft, I told you. Okay, all right, okay. But I'm gonna be the one who is gonna tell you I told you at December 31 by the end of the year. What I meant, I'm gonna be the one who's saying I told you. Anyway, I'm starting to feel the pressure on this trade. All right. There you go. Now you can say it. All right. All right. The high of this candle, 23.25. So my take profit should have been taken, but I got frustrated and exited at 18.50 because I'm a chicken. Yeah. But still, you guys have to agree that this was a beautiful trade. Whatever happened to my account, this was still a beautiful trade. Yes, pushing, no comments on that until results are up. Yeah. Oh, let me delete this. So but I believe in ICT, and this bet will come to your channel more often. So yeah, absolutely. I already benefited from this. So we have a print on the internet that we made the bet. Hold on, I have to take this call. All right, I just started crying off stream that this happened. Oh man, what a day. You retweeted. All right. What else is here? This trade is done, so I think we should be tapping into that 25 area. Russell, well, yesterday high is up there. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, what else is there? We still have this fair value gap down here on the Russell. I'm looking for that area if it dumps down. Let's see. Okay. Now it's in that area that I originally wanted it to be in. And let's see. I might gonna put a limit order down there. Yeah, I'm modifying. I deleted my limit. I am planning to get 9 accounts funded and copy trade them. Currently 7. Nice. That's a good plan. That's a good plan. Make sure you have a clean plan for execution. Okay, placing some limit orders here, deleting some limit orders. I'm looking to see if this Russell wants to go higher or not. No. If not, then we're just gonna wait anyway. What was the high on Russell yesterday? 71.2. What's at 71? Yeah, it's still good for a 1-to-1 trade, but I don't know what's above there. So that's gonna be interesting. Just previous day high. I don't know. Trader Oracle, hey there. Trader Oracle is in the house. Absolutely. I'm curious about this Russell. What is gonna do? Is it gonna try to take yesterday's high or not? I wonder. Either way, guys, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to the channel. You know the drill. You know how it goes. No major moves so far. Oh, the dog is barking again outside the window. It's a big doggy, by the way. And I'm still watching the Russell. What is happening? NQ is slipping lower a little bit. This dog is a huge doggy right here. It's a big one. It's a huge big dog outside. It's a giant dog, to be honest. All right. Anyway, I'm deleting my limit order. I'm not going to chase it. It would be crazy. It would be crazy for me to chase it. So I had a potential entry on the Russell on that fair value gap with limit order, but everything is too slow. Maybe we should wait for that PPI number to come out or something. I don't know. So I'm just gonna wait for PPI. Is that? It's gonna be PPI, I think. So I'm just gonna wait. But just to let you guys know, this was a nice entry and I missed it. So I have a little bit of a FOMO here because this could have been a nice trade with the 1 to 2 just above yesterday's high. And I did not enter in to this. I'm flat currently, so just, you know, letting you guys know I don't have positions. I had some limit orders packed up, but I missed out this trade. And I think that Russell is going to go up and take out yesterday's high. And the FOMO is real, to say the least. The FOMO is real, but it's Friday, so we should be happy of what we got. Yeah. So again, I did not take this trade. But it is what it is. What else? The previous trade was with a very small position and I did not go full TP, so I'm not all that satisfied with my patience, but it's a Friday, so what can we expect, right? Okay. My wife is also a big dog. She's in the kitchen on the chain. Come on, dude. All right. Okay, guys, there's gonna be no more trades in this session because I have a huge FOMO going on with the Russell. But the NQ was, even that I stopped earlier out this trade, I mean, I closed it earlier, I think the indicator proved again, and the system itself, that it's working very nicely. So check it out at pip.ninja. Please consider to buy some evals from Apex. I need 10 more account to be sold by my affiliate code to be eligible for a payout. So if you can help out the stream by using my code, I would be greatly appreciative to you guys. Also check out my other links. There's some good discounts going on. Subscribe to Discord. It's $10 a month, and I share everything there. So trades, signals, entries, stuff like that. So it's growing slowly, but it's gonna be good. So thank you so much for everyone for watching. Drop the like, subscribe, and see you guys in the New York session. I'm not sure how are we gonna take trades. Maybe we're gonna take trades on demo accounts or something. I don't want to mess up my week on Friday, but we'll see. If we see a pretty nice trade, we'll take it. So thank you again for being here. I'll be back maybe after the market open, because there's not much to do at the market open anyways. So see you guys later, and thank you so much for being here, and that's it. Have a great morning and evening. Bye everyone.